My name is Liz Finch, and I'm a marketing operations project manager here at Atumos. And today I'm going to share with you a tip that I use for meeting notes and just maintaining follow-up and week over week notes and trends in project management. So I'm going to go ahead and share out my screen and we can get started. All right, so this is a meeting template doc that I use for all of my clients. And you'll notice at the top we have a date card. That's one of Google's newer features. I'm going to update that to today. And you'll see I already have some notes pre-populated here. We'll just pretend that this was a meeting that happened right before this call. But now that I have all my meeting notes, it's time for me to send a follow-up email to maybe the meeting attendees with their action items. So at the top of your doc, you're going to click Insert, Building Blocks, and you're going to hit this email draft. And you'll see that this populates a table below your notes where we can now put our email draft. And so we'll start building that out. I'm going to go ahead and populate the people that I want to send this to. This is going to be integrated with your Gmail account. So if you have any contacts, anyone that you've emailed in your Google account, they're all going to show up here. If you click the @ symbol, then you can go ahead and start adding them that way. You can also just manually type email addresses if you need to as well. And you'll see it found that person for me. All right, so we're going to put our subject line in here. And now this section down below, this is going to be your email message. So I'm going to go ahead and just take everything from my meeting notes here and drop that into my draft. Now, the perk to doing it this way versus going into a whole separate tab and building out your email is, let's say I needed the other members of this meeting to add notes for their sections. I can go ahead and tag them in the doc itself using the comment feature and say, hey, please add your notes. And it helps if I tag them. And now this person is going to get a email notification letting them know that they need to go in and add their meeting notes. You can also share this doc via a Slack channel or a Teams channel and let people know that way that they need to go in and add their notes. Once everything is done, you're going to go ahead to the left-hand side and click this Preview in Gmail button. This is going to open a new window, and this is just going to populate everything that you have in that table. So you can see all of our notes are here as well as our addressees in the top. And once you're ready, all you do is click send. This window will close itself out automatically and bring you back to your notes doc. So this is a great way for you to keep track of meeting notes week over week. Let's say I'm getting ready for next week's meeting. I can go ahead and just copy this whole section, paste it in the top, change my date card here, and now I can start prepping for next week's meeting. So that's a tip that I use for maintaining my meeting notes and making sure that everyone's input is there for follow-up emails. Thanks for watching, and check out all of our other tips and tricks.